the Speaker of the Senate.
Bunge ya Senate yajiririe cikaro mathaa-inĩ ma thaa 5 rũcinĩ.
Order number 2, hearing and determination of the proposed removal from office by impeachment.
Governor Waititu agĩkinyia
on 19th December 20
gũthomerwo thitango iria ciatumire ahagũrwo nĩ bunge ya kaunti ya Kiambu.
Number 1, gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, the County Governments Act 2012, the Public Finance Management Act 2012. Honorable Governor Waititu, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Bunge ya Kiambu yaheo mweke wa gũtarĩria ũrĩa ithagathagĩte gũtemania cira ũcio mbere ya Senate.
This House will hear evidence of the governor's direct involvement in acts of breach of the Constitution, breach of the law, as well as criminal conduct.
Waititu ahoya Senate ithuthuria mũtaratara ũrĩa wahũthĩrirwo kũmũhagũra, akiuga watho ndwarũmĩrĩirwo.
And the justice also should also extend to me as the accused person.
Kuma hau rĩakinya ihinda rĩa Solomon Kinuthia kũng'ethanĩra na wakiri wa Waititu, akiũrio atemanie ũira wake wa thitango ciothe iria ahandĩire Waititu.
You're the mover of the motion. You drafted the charge sheet. You must have read the law. Which violation?
There was no rebuttal from the governor's side.
Excuse me, as to whether there were no rebuttal, that's not the question, Mr.
So
Solomon.
we did not attach it here.
You did not attach it.
Mahinda kwa mahinda, Speaker wa Senate Ken Lusaka akibatarania kũingĩrĩra rĩrĩa erĩ acio mahiũhanĩra kĩwatho kũhorohia kana kũria kĩũria gĩcokio ũrĩa kĩbatiĩ.
But the answer he has given, I think, is adequate. He has said he's aware of the Kiambu. He doesn't, because he belongs to Kiambu County.
No wakiri wa kaunti ya Kiambu nĩ ateithũrire Kinuthia kumana na urugari wa kĩwatho ũrĩa egũtemanĩirio nĩ wakiri wa Waititu.
I've brought the question of whether there is evidence that Susan Wangari Ndung'u is a wife of Ferdinand Waititu. That's the question. And that is the question that he has a right to respond to. And when he told you he was there for the Gurario, you quickly ran away from the question.
Umuthi uma muthenya wa thitangani kuhungwo mahuri. MCA Solomon Kinuthia akiuma bao-inĩ hwaĩ-inĩ ũyũ, rũciũ Governor Ferdinand Waititu nĩwe ũkarika ho gwĩtetera bunge ya Senate ĩgĩethera aikari a Kiambu kĩhoto. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma cikaro cia bunge njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.